In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. When you're ready, click on the icon of it available at the top. Select split screen in the pop-up and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can either hold this line and drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left until you see this gray area, or you can swipe both in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!